Okay, let's go after our two remaining content box graphics. Of course, tickets and rates and our location. So really, this is going to be pretty much the same process that we just saw in the previous exercise. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to go and find the content that I'm after, the tickets and rates and the graphic as well. So that's going to be inside content box 2, or the content box 2 layer group. So go ahead and twist that guy open. Once again, what I want to do here is I want to disable the visibility of the content box 2 layer itself, the blue background. And what's cool here about using this copy merged command is it really doesn't matter which layer you have selected inside the layers panel. Here I have the content box 2 layer group selected. I still have the rectangular marquee tool activated. So quite literally, I'm just going to click and drag out a selection around the tickets and rates title, as well as the Kawanja graphic there as well. Okay, so I'm also capturing the image, the photograph, and don't forget this guy was set up using a clipping group, so I'm grabbing that. I'm grabbing the stroke that's applied to the clipping group as well. So basically everything that sits inside my marching ants I've got selected here. And once again, we're going to head up to the edit menu and down to copy merged. Let's go and create our brand new blank file by hitting Control or Command N on our keyboard and then pasting our copied content in. There we go, perfect. And then let's save this out. So once again, File and then down to Save for Web. Now I'm going to be sticking with the PNG 24 file format for myself, again, because I want that transparent background there, okay? So I'm going to go and save this out. And I think I'll stick with my naming convention here. So I'm going to go content box 2, being careful not to use spaces. Okay, there we go. We only have one more to go. And again, it's going to be pretty much the same process here. So you can go ahead and head back to your high resolution layout. And of course, now it's our location that I'm after. So give me a second to go and isolate that content, disabling the correct layers there, and then making my selection. Just like that. Okay. Again, as I had mentioned quite a while back, there are several ways to go about extracting content from Photoshop, but I find this to be the most direct way, the fastest way here. As you can see, using a lot of keyboard shortcuts to go and create this content, get this content set up. All right, there we go. Let's go and save this guy out. This is going to be a PNG 24 once again, and this is going to be content box 3. Content box 3. There we go. Perfect. All right, good stuff. So we are ready now to go and insert these 3 extracted graphics into our HTML and, of course, get them under control with our media queries.